Hi, this is Daria from workwithdaria.com, and I just wanted to share with you real quick about an opportunity. I know that today a lot of people are worried about their jobs. A lot of people are still looking for a job. I have a friend that's been looking for about 2 years now, and now she's just at her wit's end. I know quite a few people where their unemployment has run out and they no longer have any income coming in, and their last resort is public assistance. So I know that it's rough out there, but I do have a solution for, especially for people that are there's have a shoestring budget or no budget at all. This opportunity does not require a fee. It is called Match Rate Plus. And this was the easiest business I ever came across. Actually, thanks to my upline, I decided to join. I joined this business, I say, back in March. I looked at it. I really didn't do much with it. Usually when something doesn't really have a fee, you tend to treat it like, it's not worth much. But on the contrary, this is a $1 billion industry. And this industry deals with merchant accounts. This is the only company that is offering a 25% back on merchant accounts. Now, we all have heard of Chase. I think they give back, 5% on your purchases, and these are personal accounts. You get 5% back on your purchases for the month. Well, this is for merchants, people who are able to offer credit cards as payments. They have to pay a fee in order to be able to accept your credit card. So with the fee that they pay, plus the money, depending on the money that they generate per month, determines the fee that they pay monthly in order to have that service. So the Match Rate Plus has patented a 25% cash back, where whatever purchases that the merchant acquires in that month, they get 25% back. There is no company doing it. And the beautiful thing about this company is that you would be a referring agent like myself and my husband. So basically what we do is we print flyers, front and back, colored flyers, and we talk to our warm market. As a matter of fact, my husband knows quite a few entrepreneurs, and we started talking to them. And basically, we don't have to know anything about the rates or the prices or anything. The company does that for you. What you are and what we are referring agents, and basically we just want to help you save money. So we give them the flyer with the phone number, with our representative number, and what happens is the company calls within 2 to 3 days to the customer. And our job is just to collect the information, collect their name, their contact information, the company that they're actually dealing with, and the reps, when they call, they will ask all the questions, do what they need to do to transfer the account. And the beauty of it is that the merchant is an agent on their own account, because they're getting the 25% back, and then they can go out and tell their friends about it and earn a commission, and at the same time residual income. And they don't have to pay anything. I think that's awesome. So check this out. Let me pull it all together for you. So you have a merchant that has their own business. They're offering credit card, the opportunity for their customer to pay with a credit card. They have to pay a fee. But with Match Rate Plus, they will pay the fee for using the service, plus whatever money that they generate, they will get 25% of that money back. How cool is that? Not to mention, they automatically become a agent like me, and they can go out and tell their friends, because most people that are business owners know business owners, and business owners that have merchants account know other people with business accounts and merchant accounts. So it all works out. Not to mention, I've had about six, I think we're up to 6 or 7 organic signups. These are people that saw my ad online, or they saw my blog, or they saw something, a post. I did do a review on the company, so they saw something that I wrote up and they decided on their own to sign up. So my husband and I are developing a residual income as we speak. My husband just did his first sign up yesterday. I did a few, and he just did his first yesterday because he just signed on. So this is an awesome opportunity for someone that just doesn't know what to do, have no idea. All you need is a computer, have fingers to type in a name, address, contact information, email information, and press send. And also you need the account that the person is actually the company that they're with, and you press submit. That is it. You are done after that. The system tells you where they are in the process, whether they qualified or they didn't, etc. But all you need is a computer, some fingers to type, paper, and a printer. That is it. If you want to go, get it a little more professional, your flyers, you can go to Vista, or you can go to Staples, or any other copying place and get your copies made. And it's just you tap into the webinars on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Tuesdays is from 9 to maybe like 9:45. They don't stay on webinars long. They get in, they tell you what to do, and get out. They do a quick PowerPoint presentation, done. Saturdays at 11 o'clock, by 12 o'clock, done. They answer all your questions. They stay on the line until all the questions are answered, done. And you can just go out the same day and start generating leads, talking to people, going into stores. They give you a script telling you exactly what to do, what your posture should be. Anybody could do this. My little nephew could do it. That's how easy it is. So I just wanted to shed some light, let you know there's some light under the tunnel. So what? You're not working, most likely because you need to start your own business. So this is an opportunity that you can look into and perhaps start to change your life today. This is Daria from workwithdaria.com signing off, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.